Hey there, fellow travelers! Have you ever heard about the Jubilee year in the Catholic Church? It's a spiritual journey unlike any other, happening only once every 25 years. Today we're diving into the rich history, meaning and unique traditions of the Jubilee. So, what exactly is the Jubilee? Well, its roots go way back to ancient times. In the Old Testament, the Jubilee was a year of forgiveness and liberation. Imagine a society where every 50 years, slaves were freed, debts forgiven, and lands returned to their original owners. It was a fresh start, a reset button for the community. The Catholic Church embraced this concept and made it their own. The first official Catholic Jubilee was declared by Pope Boniface VIII in 1300. The idea was simple. Catholics could gain indulgences, a form of spiritual forgiveness, by making a pilgrimage to Rome and receiving the Pope's blessing. Since then, Jubilees have been celebrated every 25 years. It's a time for spiritual renewal, walking in the footsteps of saints, and participating in unique religious ceremonies. In 2025, the world will once again turn its eyes to Rome. Pope Francis has announced that this Jubilee will focus on reconciliation and healing, themes that resonate deeply in today's world. One of the most fascinating aspects of the Jubilee is the Holy Door of St. Peter's Basilica. This door is only opened during Jubilee years. Passing through it symbolizes entering a year of mercy and forgiveness. It's a powerful moment of profound significance, marking new beginnings and spiritual renewal. But the Jubilee isn't just for Catholics, it's an event that attracts millions of visitors from all over the world. Whether you're from Italy, Brazil, the Philippines, or the United States, people come together, united in faith. It's a time to reflect on life, seek reconciliation, and embrace the message of God's mercy. During the 2025 Jubilee, special masses, prayer vigils, and cultural events will take place all over Rome. Pilgrims will visit sacred sites like the Basilica of St. John Lateran, St. Mary Major, and St. Paul outside the walls. These sites have immense religious significance and are a major part of the spiritual journey. But the Jubilee is also a cultural celebration. It's a chance to experience the rich history and art of Rome, bringing people together in a way few events can. So are you ready for the 2025 Jubilee? Whether you're a devout Catholic or simply curious about this profound tradition, it's an experience unlike any other. Join millions of others in 2025 as we come together for the Jubilee of Mercy. Subscribe to our channel for more on the 2025 Jubilee and everything you need to know about this historic event. Thanks for watching and see you in Rome. We hope you enjoyed this journey through history. Let us know in the comments if you plan to attend the 2025 Jubilee.